Imagine walking into a middle school band room, the harmonious chaos of tuning instruments, shy smiles exchanged over music stands, and a palpable sense of burgeoning responsibility among the young musicians. At the heart of this melodic melodrama is the notion of leadership, a concept taking root in these formative years and echoing far beyond the confines of the rehearsal space. Empowering young musicians through leadership roles within middle school bands has increasingly proven to be a powerful catalyst for youth development, equipping them with skills that transcend musical performance and preparing them for the complexities of adulthood. Leadership in middle school band programs is not merely about conducting ensembles or leading sectional rehearsals. It is about fostering a culture of responsibility, teamwork, and resilience among young students. Music educators have long recognized that the role of a section leader or a band captain is instrumental in a student's personal growth. These positions teach vital life skills such as effective communication, conflict resolution, and peer mentorship. Within these musical microcosms, students learn to navigate the complexities of collaborative performance and group dynamics. For instance, a section leader must balance the technical aspects of music with the interpersonal challenges of guiding peers. This dual focus demands a level of maturity and empathy that is remarkable for individuals at such a young age. Furthermore, the public nature of performances gives these young leaders a platform to experience and overcome performance anxiety, enhancing their self-confidence and public speaking skills. The impact of these leadership roles extends into the broader school environment and beyond. Leaders in band settings often become leaders in other areas of their lives, bringing their honed skills to class projects, student councils, and community initiatives. Their ability to manage groups, inspire teamwork, and navigate challenges makes them valuable members of any community. The story of Emma, a shy sixth grader who rose to become the band captain by 8th grade, illustrates the profound impact of leadership roles in music education. Initially struggling with social anxiety, Emma found her voice through her clarinet. As she grew more competent musically, her band director recognized her potential and encouraged her to take on more responsibility. By leading her section, Emma not only improved her musical skills but also developed leadership qualities that translated into increased academic confidence and a more active participation in school activities. Another compelling case is that of a middle school band in a low-income neighborhood that transformed its community's engagement with the school. Under the leadership of dedicated student leaders, the band organized community concerts and involved local businesses in their fundraising efforts for new uniforms and instruments. This initiative not only fostered a sense of pride within the students, but also bridged gaps between diverse community groups, showcasing the unifying power of music. These real-life examples underscore the value of integrating leadership opportunities in middle school bands. The benefits are manifold: improved musical prowess, enhanced personal development, and a strengthened community spirit. In conclusion, empowering young musicians with leadership responsibilities within middle school bands cultivates a myriad of skills that benefit the individual and the community. As we foster these opportunities, we not only enhance the educational landscape but also contribute to the holistic development of future leaders. The harmonies created in these band rooms resonate with lessons of leadership, collaboration, and personal growth, setting the stage for a symphony of lifelong successes.